Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Banking Current Affairs. I was selected in IBBS RRB 2017 and my strength is current affairs and I would like to share my strategy how I prepared the current affairs and I will assure if you follow from the very first video you will score more than 80% of the marks in your current affairs section. Okay, let us discuss 6th August 2020 current affairs. Chhattisgarh government launches a social security scheme for Tendu leaf collectors. Tendu leaf means the leaf wrapped cigarettes and it is named after Shahid Mahendra Karma. The Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is Anasuya Uke. Ajay Tagi gets 18-month extension as SEBI chairman. SEBI stands for Security Exchange Board of India and his extension is from September 1, 2020 to February 28, 2022. Headquarters of SEBI is in Mumbai. Manoj Sinha appointed as new Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir after the resignation of Girish Chandra Murmu. A book titled Ra, A History of India's Covert Operations is authored by Atesh Yadav. RA stands for Research Analysis Wing. The chief of RA is Samanta Goyal. India UN Development Partnership Fund. India contributes 15.46 million USD. And the present UN Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. He is from Portugal. And recently RBI released second bi-monthly policy and the repo rate remains unchanged at 4%, reverse repo rate also unchanged at 3.35%, marginal standing facility also kept unchanged at 4.25% because of this COVID. And let's discuss about the RBI. RBI first formed in the year 1935 and headquartered in Mumbai. The present RBI governor is Shaktikant Das. He is the 25th governor. There will be 4 RBI deputy governors. They are NS Vishwanathan, BP Kannongo, MK Jain, Michael Patra. Obituaries. Recently, Arunachal Governor Ram Pradhan died. The present Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister is Pema Khandu. Governor is B.D. Mishra, former Brigadier of Army. And also Maharashtra Chief Minister Shivraj Patil died recently. And the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Shiv Sena led Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. That's yesterday current affairs, friends. Please like and share my video and I will ensure you will get a good score in your banking examinations. Thank you one and all.